Akai CS-M01A Stereo Cassette Deck 1980 Specifications Type 2-head single compact cassette deck Track system For track, 2-channel stereo Tape speed 4.76 centimeters per second Heads 1 to record or playback, 1 to erase. Motor Electronically speed controlled DC. Tape type Type 1, CR02 and metal tape. Noise reduction B. Frequency response 30 Hz to 18 kHz with metal tape. Signal to noise ratio 69 dB, Dolby B. Wow and flutter 0.05%. Total harmonic distortion 0.7%. Input 70 mV for line, 0.25 mV for mic. Output 0.41 V line. Dimensions 440 by 143 by 250 millimeters. Weight 5 kilograms. Functions 1. Power switch 2. Cassette receptacle with tape view window 3. Timer start switch Put to on for absentee recording and timed playback with a timer. The timer start switch should be set to OFF at all times other than timer operation. Failure to do so will result in malfunction. 4. Index counter and reset button. Tape indexing is made easy with this 3-digit index counter. To reset to 000, depress reset button. 5. VU meters. Show the VU reading for both recording and playback for both channels. 6. Recording indicator lamp. Lights when the recording key is depressed. 7. Left-right recording level controls. The outer ring controls the right channel recording input level and the inner knob controls the left channel recording input level. The controls are coaxial, therefore they may be adjusted independently or together. Observing the left and right VU meters, adjust so that the meter indicators read up to, but not exceeding 0 VU. Coaxial controls and enumerated positions facilitate easy fade-in, gradual increase in volume at the beginning of a musical selection and fade-out gradual decrease in volume at the end recording operations. 8. Microphone jacks, left and right. The model for the USA is equipped with a mono mic jack. Connect one microphone to the left jack for monophonic recording. 9. Dolby NR switch and MPX filter. Dolby NR on, filter off. Use for Dolby NR recording and playback. Dolby NR on, filter on. Use for Dolby NR recording from FM broadcasts. Dolby off. Use for non-Dolby NR recording and playback. 10. Tape selector. Set to position corresponding to tape for correct equalization and bias adjustment. CR02. Chrome oxide tapes. Normal tapes. FACR. Ferrichrome oxide tapes. 11. Headphone jack. Accommodate stereo headphones of 8 ohms impedance for monitoring or private headphone listening. 12. Operating keys. This deck features autoplay when the play key is depressed at the same time as the rewind key. When the tape finishes, the full release auto stop is activated. By separating the head block from the capstan and the tape is protected and pinch wheel wear is prevented. Stop/eject key. Functions as a stop key during operating mode, and as an eject key during stop mode. Recording, rec, key. Depress this key and the play key simultaneously to affect recording mode. Rewind key. Rewinds tape at high speed. Play key. Advances tape for playback and recording modes. Fast forward key. Advances tape at high speed. Pause key. Depress to momentarily suspend tape travel during recording or playback. Convenient for tape editing. This key must be depressed during absentee recording and timed playback. Pause control does not function during fast forward or rewind. 13. Line output jacks, left and right. Connects to tape inputs of external amplifier or tape recorder. 14. DIN jack. The USA model does not have this facility. Can be used instead of the line input and output jacks for connection with an external amplifier through a DIN connection cord. 15. Line input jacks, left and right. Connects to outputs or rec outputs of external. Source. 16. Input selector switch. The USA model does not have this facility. Set to line for recording from line connections and to DIN for recording from DIN connections.
People say I'm crazy, doing what I'm doing. Well, they give me all kinds of warnings to save me from ruin. When I say that I'm okay, trying to enlighten me. When I say that I'm okay, well, they look at me kind of strange. Surely you're not happy.